In today's exciting video, we're going to look at expanding persistent volumes on Google Cloud. First up, let's kick things off by creating a cluster so that you have the chance to actively follow along, step by step, in real time. Specifically, we're going to create a standard Kubernetes cluster. However, remember the autopilot approach has a lot of similarities in terms of managing persistent volumes. So, what's the first thing we probably want to do after we've got the kubectl client authenticated with our new cluster? You guessed it, it's time to check our storage classes on the cluster. By seeking out our Allow Volume Expansion field on our storage classes, we'll discover whether the volume will expand to cover increased storage or not. While we're in detective mode, let's examine the other storage classes. Indeed, all three support volume expansions. Let's work through a persistent volume claim and then introduce a pod that's going to use it in this YAML file. Then, once we've finished defining the resources, we will get to enjoy the satisfaction of applying them to the cluster. Are we done yet? Not quite. Just to be 100% sure our precious data in the persistent volume is safe, let's take a moment to create a test file right here. We have 8 GB for our HTML directory, but it's time to shake things up by expanding the volume to 16 GB in our persistent volume claim. Although you might think we need a pod restart, we actually don't. So let's pop back inside that pod and check the size. It still shows as 8, but give it another minute, it's just catching up. Voila, now we have 16 GB. Most importantly, let's put our mind at ease and check that our test.txt file is still safe. It is. We've successfully expanded the volume without deleting any data. Google is taking care of everything behind the scenes, almost like magic, and dynamically scaling our persistent volumes, which are backed by compute engine persistent disks. We hope you found this video helpful and want to thank you for watching. Please enjoy responsibly.